Are you wondering exactly how to go from blank material to a finished design on your new Cricut Explore 5? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete process to start to finish, designing, cutting, weeding, transferring, and applying your vinyl design to whatever blank you're decorating. If you get stuck along the way, you can call up the numbers given on the screen, otherwise, you can follow me along. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Make sure your Cricut Explore 5 machine is already fully set up. If you haven't set it up, check the link in the description for our complete setup guide. After setup, go to your computer, open Cricut Design Space, and either create a new design from scratch or choose from one of the existing images or projects available. Once your design is loaded and ready, resize it to the size of your coaster. Now you can change the color of your image to whatever you like. Once everything looks perfect, you've made all the adjustments, go ahead and hit the make options to prepare your cutting. When you hit the make, you'll be prompted to select how you want to load your material. Since you're using Smart Vinyl, select the Without Mat option and hit Confirm. Click on Continue to proceed to the next screen where we'll select the material type. On the next screen, select your material. Choose Smart Vinyl Matless Permanent Vinyl to match what you're using. Now, go over to your machine, grab your Smart Vinyl material in the color you selected, align it carefully to the guide. Press the Go button on your Cricut Explore 5 to start the cutting process. Watch your design come to life on your material. Once the cutting is complete, press the Unload button to eject your material from the machine. Carefully cut out the design in your square shape around the edges. Then slowly and gently peel it off backing material. Use your weeding tool carefully to remove all those little leftover pieces and scraps. By the way, if you're finding the process helpful, please smash that subscribe button so you can get more Cricut tutorial delivered to you. Once weeding is done, grab your transfer sheet and cut it to match the exact of your cut design. Peel off the transfer tape from its backing paper and carefully place that sticky transfer sheet on the top of your vinyl design so it picks up it completely. Use your scraper tool to press down on the design firmly so it sticks really well to the transfer tape. Now, clean the coaster surface where you're going to apply your design. Make sure it's clean and dry with no dust or debris. Carefully remove and separate the transfer sheet with your vinyl design from its backing paper. Then, slowly and carefully place the transfer sheet with your design onto the surface on your coaster. Use your scraper or your hand to press the design down firmly to make sure it sticks properly. Finally, slowly peel away the thin plastic layer of the transfer sheet from your design. And you've just created and applied for your first professional looking vinyl design with your Cricut Explore 5. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.